Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We have an unboxing, and this is from all the way from the States. I'd like to thank Dan for looking after me once again. And we just struggle here with this Teflon sticky tape. Or maybe it's just a blunt blade. How's that sound? Looks like we're in. Let me just sheath this blade. Okay. It opens. Rightio, where to start? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right. Let's start with this one. I'm not even sure what this is. So what happens is I buy from the States, and then I either send the razor to Dan or my friend Kaz. See if this is opened or sticky taped. I think it's already been cut through. Ah, yeah. So this bit isn't too exciting, but anyway, it's blades for the knife. So I'm assuming they're all sealed. So now at some stage I'm going to have to replace blades. So that is a good little score. If not, a bit boring. But we move on. Let's do this one. Actually, I think I know which one this is. So this one I purchased. I've already got this razor, but I purchased it for the shipper and maybe one or two other small things. So no serial number. Here we go, let you have a good look. $5 price tag. I'll open it up and you can pause and read. Now I believe this is all original within itself. To our soldiers. Save your blades by drying carefully after shaving. Protect the edges by inserting blade into envelope and keeping in metal blade box. Let's just open this up because this is something I haven't owned one of these before. They haven't come into my collection. Oh, so they actually say here, just going by the pictures, that this is a single ring, and that you can loosen the single ring off to get a more aggressive shave. That's how it appears. And we've got one more page. I'm not really sure how this... I see. So I would suspect that this this is not original with the razor. But I could be wrong, of course. And let's open it up. Is this the right way? It is. So it's a car key set. And it has the mirror. Mirror comes out. Wonder if some of that can be cleaned up, those spots on it. We see inside. That looks original to it all. Let me just put this down. Blades, full of blades. Looks like that could clean up. Just checking for cracks. None seem apparent. Let's have a look at the teeth. Teeth all seem to be straight. Now the thing with these cases, if you're looking to collect, is the little thumbtacks. They're the first things that go missing. So I've got both of them. I have another one of these cases which is in really, really nice condition. I reckon it lacks at least one of these thumbtacks. So this will probably be a piece that I will take what I need and then sell the rest. Let's put you away. Let's close you up. Here we go. So here it is. So this is another traveller set, and it's got the engravings on it. A Mr. H.E.K. at the time purchased this. And we have a crusty, falling apart. That hasn't even been cleaned properly when it was used. Eek. Little brush there. I think this will clean up beautifully. Let's have a look in these blade banks. Feels empty. Let's just check there's no other engraving. This feels empty. Ultrasonic clean for these. And here is the other one. And we have a soap. Back it goes. So I scored this on the Bay of E and got it relatively cheap. Actually, I think I got it quite cheap. Didn't have a razor. I'm not sure which razor it would be. I would, if I'm going to guess, and why not have a guess, I believe it probably would have been a gold single ring. Or maybe even a gold bulldog like the other one I've got that's very similar. Okay, lucky last is a rare bird. So you've seen all the black travel cases come in different types of leather. Well, this is one I'm pretty sure most, if not all of you, have not seen. And this is a tan travel case. It is a Gillette. Carefully unlatch it. You can see in there. So that's usually that this part here is material, silk or some sort of satin or something, but this is actually feels like leather, or a fake sort of leather, but I'm not quite sure which one it is, but it's the genuine article. So it is a single ring. And with the tarnishing of the tubes, I'd say they were silver plated at the time. Let's just put you there to support. Single ring razor with a razor blade still inserted. Let's carefully have a look at this. Don't even know what blade company that is. It's not a Gillette blade. Let me made in the USA. Let's take it off. United Blades. Yep, that's something I don't know. I'm going to leave that out because I will dispose of. So again, let's check the blades. The teeth, sorry, the comb, all good. Let's check underneath. And there is, actually, let's open that up again because there's nothing printed under the base plate. Nothing at all, except secure the code there, and that's there for you to have a look at. And to date, and if you want to know how to date Razor Emporium, go in there onto their website, click on Education, and that'll open up, and then there's another tab there for date codes. Okay. United Blades, blue steel, satisfaction guaranteed. Sounds like a David Lee Roth lyric, doesn't it? I'm showing my age. And there's some more used blades. Hang on. New Gillette blade, patents pending. Usually I'm not into the old razor blade thing, but I know some people are. But this one I'll hang on to. And a Merlin high speed. Merlin or Marlin? Marlin. Nice. Let's have a look inside these tubes. And we have an old soap. Let's leave all this stuff out so we can have a look inside the. And we have another little brush, travel brush. You're back inside there. So let's have a good look inside this case. So I've never seen this case before. And I've never seen one on, well, I haven't seen it anywhere. This is the first one I've ever seen for sale, and I snapped it up with the last sort of funds I had left. And yeah, I haven't seen it on Mr. Razor site. So that is an interesting score. Okay, we'll leave it at that. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao for now.